Shopping for clothes. Clothing and accessories. Sneakers. A scarf. A jacket. A sweatshirt. Boots. A suit. A tie. In a shopping mall. In American English, this is called an elevator. In British English, it's called a lift. An escalator. A shop assistant. A fitting room or a changing room. A mirror. A price tag. A checkout is the place. A cashier is the person. Cash. A credit card. A receipt. Common sizes. When you see XS, this means extra small. When you see S, this means small. When you see M, this means medium. L means large, and XL means extra large. Important phrases. I'm just looking. Do you have? What size are you? Where's the fitting room? Or where's the changing room? I would like to try this on. How much is it? If you're on social media, don't forget to follow us. We are on many different platforms. Also, if you're interested in free classes, don't forget to tell your friends about us.